Hi, hello friends. Today we are ready to see in Yadam Kalai how to earn money with lichess. First step, we have to install lichess in our system, and we have to create a group for this chess game. We can use WhatsApp group or any social media we can use. I already installed this one, so it's asking to update. But if you select LHS, if download, after it will ask to install. So install first, after it will come in desktop that like LHS. You have to click and register this first. Before registration we can pay. We have sign in option, so we should register and after have to sign in this app. Now we have chance, create game, tournament, conduct game, so analyze board, so we can use this. After create game they will send link and password and time. We have to announce entry fee, prize money, when is a game. We should stop the entries before 2 hours. We have to collect the entry fees through Google Pay or online banking. Then before 1 hour, who and all paid, that person only individually have to send that link and password. We should give our mobile number for contact for the clarification. Any doubts or password, how to enter, what we announce that time that game will start. After 1 hour they will announce first, second, third. We should pay the first prize, second prize, third prize winners through Google Pay. We should get numbers and we should pay money. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it, subscribe it